Hey guys, and welcome back. How are we doing? Happy weekend. I hope your day is amazing. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my TJ Maxx and Marshalls recent purchases. I picked up few new items that I have not shown you, so I thought I would do it today. And also I'll be sharing with you my most favorite TJ Maxx and Marshalls or Ross purchases that I have made over the years. I have gotten rid of a lot of stuff that I picked up at stores because I'm somebody who would not keep something in my vanity if I don't use it or if I don't reach for it. So I get rid of a lot of things all the time, but these are the items that I absolutely love and I use them on daily basis. I thought I would share that with you as well. One of you guys gave me this idea of the video, so I thought I would do it today. I hope you enjoy.
Sorry to cut you here, you guys, but I just had to include this little footage. After doing this video, I received this in the mail from YouTube. This is my first ever time receiving anything from YouTube in the mail. This is their limited edition clapperboard. Can you guys believe they sent this to me? They did not send it to all of the creators. I am just so happy and extremely excited. I just wanted to say you guys thank you so much for your support and your love for my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. And I cannot wait to create more content on YouTube. So yeah, I thought I would include this little footage.
First item that I picked up and I'm so excited for it from Beauty Creations. This is set of 12 lip liners and it was running for $10. Now you guys look at the colors on this lip liner set. I thought it is so beautiful, and you get pretty much all lip liner shades in this set for only $10. So this is cheaper than Dollar Tree price, and actually I am recently loving Beauty Creations a lot, so I thought this set is actually really very nice set to pick up. I don't own a lot of lip liners, to be honest. My lip liners are crusty, dusty, broken and very weird, so I thought I would get this set. Look at these, you guys, how pretty. I cannot wait to put all of these in my vanity and get rid of all old lip liners. And this set have pretty much everything you would need for your lips, but I have actually not tried it. Let me try a shade to see the formula. So here is how it is. I love these, sharpable pencil lip liners the best. I don't like retractable that much. This one is my favorite type of lip liner. Wow, it feels creamy and very nice. Such an amazing set. I am in love with this set and I was so excited to show you guys.
I applied the red lip liner all over my lips to let you guys know about the formula. I absolutely love it. As you can see how easily it glides on.
Then we've been seeing a lot of K-beauty items at stores. I picked up this set from this brand right here. I don't know this brand, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Looks like this is from their limited edition collections, but in this set you get water tint and also comes with a lip oil as well. Look at the color for the lip oil. I love this red color for the lip oil, and the lip tint also looks nice. Now this was for $7.99. Okay guys, so here are these lippies, so cute. Let's see the lip oil first. Look at the packaging, it is so cute. So this is the applicator. I think I need to apply a little bit of oil. Wow, it smells like candy. Very yummy fragrance. Very yummy fragrance. Beautiful formula. I really like it a lot. Love the packaging and I love this shade. I don't own any lip oil shades like this. Very beautiful. And this is the other lip product, which is a blur water tint. So let me show you the swatch for it. This also is more like, glossy finish. And their lip tints, like K-beauty lip tints, last forever. So this product also looks very nice, and this also smells very delicious, you guys. So here is how it is. It will give little flush of color to your lips. Right now I already have lipstick on, but I love this lip oil so much. So I picked up this Believe Cosmetics Super Drops Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum. This was for $17. And here is the packaging on the inside. So for this product I used it 2 times. You guys, this, I don't know how it is a skincare, but it have a lot of shimmer to it. If you see here, do you see the finish it gives? So I was thinking, like, if this shimmer is good for the skin if you apply it during the night time or during the daytime as well, because I'm someone, if I'm using skincare, I want my skincare makeup free. So this is also more like a, you know, makeup product for me. It smells like orange, but the finish is very, very interesting. I did not expected that. I know a lot of people loving dewy finish things, dewy finish skincare. I'm not one of those. I don't like to, you know, add makeup in my skincare, but I believe it's a nice find. I will use it and then we'll let you guys know if it's actually nice on the skin. I am in love with this brand Believe. Their skincare is very nice, so I thought I would pick this serum as well. Also for skincare, I picked up this Japanese Deep Cleansing and Brightening Vitamin C Cleansing Oil. This was on markdown at Marshall's, was running for $6. Originally it was for $10, so I thought it's a very good price. I recently finished with this cleansing oil from this K-Beauty brand. So this one is almost finished, so I thought I would grab another one. I'm new to cleansing oils and I think I'm liking them a lot, and when I see this on markdown, I thought I would grab it because it's a very big size of bottle, and I am in absolutely love with Japanese and K-Beauty skincare items. If you guys remember, I picked up this like few months ago for $7.99. It's a Japanese lotion. Now this item I use a lot. As you can see, I have gone through a lot of it. It was so affordable for only $7.99 and it is very nice. I use it all over my body as well after taking shower, and then I go with my body lotion and then body mist. It locks in the moisture and leaves your skin very, very soft and, you know, hydrated, and I love it right after washing my face as well. This product is very hydrating, so I really think that Japanese lotions are fantastic. I will grab more when I finish with this one. I see them all the time at TJ Maxx. I don't see this brand anymore, which I don't know this brand, but it calls Wrinkle Lotion. This is egg recipe wrinkle lotion, but I don't think it's good for wrinkles, to be honest, but it is very, very hydrating on your skin and gives your skin so much moisture. When you apply it under the moisturizer, your skin is hydrated for, you know, throughout the day. So I really like this a lot. So I thought I would show you guys this. Also recently stores have Glam Light loose setting powders. So this one is banana cream pie one. These are for only $6 at stores. Really very nice price for them. I thought I would give it a try. I have never tried Glam Light complexion products. I have only tried their eyeshadows, which I'm in absolutely love with their shadow formulas. So this is a full big size of loose setting powder. The packaging is so cute and you get a lot of powder for only $6. And best thing is this also comes with these cute little powder puffs as well. Now this is sealed. I have not opened it yet. Okay guys, I just opened this with this razor and I cut my hand. Look at it. But let's see the formula. So here is how it is. I know it will give little bit of, you know, yellow effect. It's good for color correcting. I don't ever own any you know, banana setting powder which is yellow in color. So let me show you what kind of white cast it gives. It gives little bit of yellow cast. Powder feels very soft and really very good quality. I think it is not drying at all. So I really think we have a winner over here. Looks like a nice formula. This is what I expected from Glam Light. I'm a huge fan of their eyeshadows.
Here I took little amount of powder and applied it on my dry under eye area to let you guys know how I feel about the formula. This formula feels very lightweight and not too drying. I don't have any concealer on here, but I cannot wait to pair it with the concealer. I think I really like this powder.
I also picked up this Beauty Creations Don't Be Jelly Lip and Cheek Stain. Now this was on markdown for $4. And this is how they are on the inside. Very cute. And I am in love with this color. I love these, you know, wow. I did not expect it, this dark shade on the inside. I thought it's going to be, you know, cool tone peach color, but it's okay. Oh my god, it is so cute, you guys. Look at it. So adorable. Smells like candy. So delicious. And when you touch it on your skin, it's like, you know, cold on your skin. And here is how it is. Okay, the tint is not that deep. I was thinking it's going to be very, very deep, but still it's not as light as this color. I was thinking it's going to be this color for some reason, but here is how the swatch is. Then here is the second shade, which is right here. It looks black almost, and this is how it is. Very nice formula. And when you know, when it's dried, it's actually matte. It's not dewy at all. It's matte finish. This is the last shade, which is similar to this shade. These both of these shades are actually similar. Let's see side by side. This one looks a little bit deeper and this one is lighter. Let's swatch and see how different they are from each other. So this is the last swatch. Okay, you guys, when you swatch these shades, they are actually very similar to each other, which is a little bit disappointing, but I picked them up for only $4, so not that bad of a deal, and they are actually very cute and smells so nice.
Okay guys, here you can see me applying one of the shades. This shade is actually orange kind of color when you apply it on your face. I am in love with this shade, so cute. I need to blend here more, but I wanted to give you guys an idea how pigmented and cute these are. I think I really like this product a lot and it was so affordable for me. And also I applied one of the shades on the lips as well to show you guys. This one is also so cute.
So that be all what I picked up for this haul part. Now let's go and see the products I really love that I picked up at TJ Maxx, Marshalls and Ross.
Okay guys, first let me show you all of the McGrath Labs palettes that I have from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. This palette is so beautiful, as you can see how gorgeous and shimmery it is, and I love to travel with it as well because it is very convenient and nice compact packaging. Then I also have this face palette as well for them, which I really like blushes in this palette, but I don't care for the highlighter. This highlighter is very messy and it have glitters on it, but the blushes are so beautiful. I reach for them quite often, but I really hate the packaging on them. This is very bulky palette. Then also I have this one for McGrath Labs as well. You get 2 blushes and also comes with a bronzer. Now this palette is so beautiful, perfect for traveling as well, and these shades are so flattering on my skin tone. Then I also have this big palette as well for McGrath Labs. This palette is gorgeous, you guys, and it is it have a mix of colors, and also you get some neutral shades as well. This also is so perfect, and the formula is stunning, blinding, and the mattes are very easy to work with. Now this is my one of the most favorite purchases at Ross. This one was for $25 at Ross. This is a face palette for Hourglass. tones. Now you can see I have hit the pan on this bronzer shade here. I don't reach for the finishing powder as much, but I use rest all 4 shades a lot, and I use it pretty much every single day, you guys. And then for glam light, I love this Michaela palette that I picked up at TJ Maxx around few years ago. Now this palette is extremely pigmented, you guys. Like, I cannot believe on pigmentation on this palette. Here you can see only one single dip, and this is what you get. Stunning palette. This is my favorite glam light palette, I want to say. And then I also love this one as well for glam light. This also I picked up at Ross. Now the formula on this palette is also beautiful. I love all the tones this palette have. And I also have this Jaclyn Cosmetics palette as well. Now this I might get rid of soon because I have similar color tones, but honestly the formula on this palette is also very very beautiful, which is why I still have it in my collection. And then also I have this Smashbox palette. Now this palette was gifted to me from one of my friends in Chicago. She was my school friend and she gifted this to me, which is why I have kept it as a memory. But I don't really reach for this palette as much, and this palette is very very old. And this gift set from Gucci was also fantastic. I found it at Ross for $80. Now this have perfume body lotion, 100 ml of perfume. Also comes with 10 ml of Gucci Bloom perfume as well. You guys, this perfume smells so nice if you like floral scented, perfumes. I get so many compliments on this one, and I used it a lot. Still, it have a lot left because it's very very long lasting and it lasts forever. And this set have 100 ml size of this perfume, which alone cost for over $160. So this actually is a very nice deal, and I will grab more if I find more Gucci sets during the holiday time. And I also like this Bratz palette for beauty creations. I don't reach for it that much, but honestly the formula is so beautiful, which is why I have not gotten rid of this. It is so nice, and I absolutely love the packaging as well. Also, I have this Jouer Ultra Foil eyeshadow palette as well from years ago. Now this formula is still in amazing condition, which is why I never get rid of it. Here you can see the pigmentation on this palette. It is so beautiful. I personally love shimmer eyeshadows a lot, so I have kept it because you get very cute shimmer shades. Here you can see it without the flashlight on, and this is the little swatch without flashlight. Also, I have this Glamlight Hershey's Milk Chocolate palette. Now, I like this palette a lot because it have very beautiful neutral tones, and I love the shimmers as well in this, which is why I have still, kept it. Then I also have this Lawless Divan eyeshadow palette. This also is a very beautiful formula. I would definitely recommend this palette. And also, I love that you get really nice neutral shades in this, and also few shimmer shades as well. I really like this palette a lot, and I have used a few shades quite a lot in this palette. I also have this little Kevin Kwan palette as well. It's a face palette. I think I got this at TJ Maxx. I have kept it for this contour shade. It is a very nice cool tone contour shade. I don't care for the blush that much. And then I also have this Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter, which I hit the pan on this, which tells a lot that how much I love this highlighter. This highlighter is one of my favorites. It's a putty highlighter. The formula is so nice, and it never empathizes the texture on your cheeks, which is why I love it a lot. Then this blush is so old for Urban Decay. This is their Afterglow blush. I don't think this still exists. I actually need to throw it away because it is too old, but I love the formula on this as well so much. The mirror is even broken. Then this lipstick for Melt Cosmetics, I absolutely love the color for it. I used it a lot during the summertime. It's a very nice formula, and I am in love with this shade. And I also have these nude sticks, eye sticks as well. These also are my favorite. You can see I have used them a lot. I don't like this pencil as much. It's kind of like hard to sharp it, but I absolutely love the formula. And this blush quad is from Give Beauty. This also I like a lot, so I have kept it with me. I think I got this last year. The formula is very nice on this, but my recent most favorite blush formula is Fenty Beauty blush formula.
So yeah, this is all, you guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching me, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Take care and bye bye.